So, hi guys. So, ngayon naman is tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gamitin ang counter, collection.counter sa module in Python. So, ang collection module in Python is nagpo-provide siya ng specialized container data types that are beyond the basic built-in types like dictionary, list, set, and tuple. So, these specialized containers offer improved performance or functionality for particular use cases. So, they are designed to make your code more efficient and readable. So, magbibigay tayo ng example for that. Here are some general operation in collection module. So, ang example natin is counting boats. So, muna tayo. Lalagay muna tayo ng from collection, import, then counter. So, this line imports the counter class from the collection module. So, counter is a specialized dictionary subclass for counting hashable object. It's perfect for tallying boats. So, ang example natin is counting boats. So, variable is boats, then equal kung let's say si Alice, Bob, and Charlie yung maglalaban. So, dito, yung ilalagay lang natin kung sino-sino yung mga bumoto sa kanila. Yung ilang beses silang binoto. Maglalagay ulit tayo ng variable para ma-count naman yung boat. So, boat count yung gagawin nating variable, then i-equal natin siya counter, then boats yung una nating variable. And then, pagkatapos nun, ipiprint na natin, then lagyan lang natin siya ng election result. So, yung magiging sagot dito is kung sino yung kung ilan yung vote count ng isang tao. So, Alice got 3, Bob got 2, and Charlie got 1. Next naman, kung gusto natin malaman yung winner or kung sino yung mas madaming vote, i-print lang natin. Then, maglalagay tayo ng string na winner. Then, comma. Then, both count. Yung both count na variable dot, most common. Then, yung 1, 0, 0. Then, pag pinrint natin yan, ang lalabas is si Alice kasi siya yung mas madaming vote. Yun lang yun. So, collections give you a better ways to organize your data, making your code cleaner and faster. So, thank you guys for watching.